Linguists estimate that there are close to 7,000 spoken languages around the world. Languages are classified into over 100 different groups, such as Germanic and Slavic. One of these classifications is Creole and Pidgin languages. There are over 40 different languages in this category, such as Haitian Creole and Papiamento. So where does the name Kabuverdianu come from? In 1979, shortly after the Cape Verde Islands gained their independence, in the city of Mindelo, on the island of São Vicente, Cape Verdean linguists held a conference with language specialists from UNESCO, the International African Institute, and representatives from the International Phonetic Association to discuss the importance of establishing a written standard for Caboverdiano. In this meeting, it was decided that the language should be known as Caboverdiano. Why? According to Cape Verdean linguist Manuel Veiga, the term Creole or Kriolu is internationally ambiguous. For example, in the United States of America, if you use the term Kriolu or Creole, people may think you are referring to Haitian Creole on the East Coast or Louisiana Creole if you live in the southern states. This scenario repeats itself around the world where you have speakers of various Creole languages. The meaning of the term Creole changes depending on a person's location and the predominant language spoken in that region or community. It's for this reason that linguists agree with decisions made at the Language Conference in 1979 and the words of Manuel Veiga when he stated that the term Caboverdiano is preferred to differentiate it from the many types of Creoles, such as Haitian Creole, Papiamento, and others. Caboverdiano is the name that sets the language of the Cape Verde Islands apart from all others. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a like and a share. And if you're interested in learning Caboverdiano, please visit our website at www.learncaboverdianu.com.